Hey guys, Glen Murray. How are you, Affiliate Profit Pages? This review is a program called ViralMark, and this is going to be sort of a tutorial review, a walkthrough of ViralMark. It's the ViralMark app. Okay, so first off, what's my channel about? I do reviews. I also do lots of training on different affiliate programs. So if you like stuff like that, make sure you hit the subscribe, thumbs up. I'm gonna walk you through what this app is. Do I think it's worth it or not? I actually, ironically, I put a bonus page together before I watched the full training video because the video wasn't downloading correctly for me to watch, and I didn't log into the back office. I ended up putting a bonus page together, and then I'll tell you at the end what we're gonna do with that bonus page. Okay, guys? Because, anyways, I have a demo video to show you, but to be honest, it's just music and it's really low res and you really don't know what's going on. So I think the best thing to do, I'm not going to even show you the sales page. I'm going to show you the inside of the app and just sort of show you what's going on. This is the back end. So ViralMark it's supposed to be a, actually let's pop over to the sales page so you can actually see the sales page. So this is it here. So brand new 100% fresh traffic automation software, ViralMark, built-in automated social traffic generation systems, send unlimited visitors to your offers, step-by-step video training, premium world-class customer support, drive targeted traffic. Bonus number one, messenger bot, YouTube HD videos, $100 a day income system, YouTube traffic case study, premium theme and plugins, 30-day money back. So it says it's worth 10 grand. Well, I wish it was, guys, because unfortunately this program for me kind of really falls short on what it can do, and there's to be honest, there's other programs that can do this better. I didn't go into it completely. It says push one button to drive free buyer traffic to any link in just 28 seconds. I don't understand that, so let's jump into the back office here if I can find it. There it is. Oh, gotta find it. Here it is. Okay, this is the app is actually. Did I share the screen with you? Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm shared. Sorry, my video is in the middle of the screen. Let me just fix that so I can get out of the way here. Put it down there in the corner. Okay, so basically, it's two parts. It's Twitter and YouTube. I looked through the YouTube automation. I don't understand it, and there's actually no training in here. Maybe the training's coming, but I really don't understand how they're going to automate the YouTube with this tool. I don't quite get it. Unless they're doing shorts or something. So I'd have to see the training. So this may be something that's worthwhile. Going back over to the Twitter side, let's go. So basically it's two programs you kind of flip-flop back and forth between. That's the YouTube automation. This is the Twitter come on. There we go. So it's basically you add a new tweet, you add your account, you pick your account, you can put your information in. Now, one thing that I think is really important, especially for Twitter, is, and this is how I use my automation, and we'll talk about that in a bit. But basically, you want to do a live post on Twitter, and then go into your scheduler and you want to schedule it for the next day. And then you want to, if it's a launch or something like that, you want to schedule it for to be repeated every day for 7 days or 10 days or whatever you're doing. And then you kind of want it to just kind of drip out there every 15 to 2 weeks or whatever it is, right? So that's what I like in a scheduler. So you can, and so there's a couple of tools that you can do that with. This actually doesn't do it. It just schedules a time ahead. So you would have to come back and then reschedule it. It only kind of schedules it once. And Twitter is a program where you can it's probably the best tool for multiple posting the same thing over and over on a schedule. So it has a scheduled tweet. So it has auto follow, auto unfollow, auto retweet, auto like, auto direct messages, search to reach gallery. So it's pretty basic. So let me go over to let me jump off here. Let me see if I can find my bonus page for you here. I put together this bonus page, and I'll show you what it is, because you're probably getting what I'm getting at, guys. This is probably not a great program to buy. Sorry, I'm just giving you my honest opinion. I personally wouldn't buy it with what I see so far. I still don't understand the YouTube automation, but what I'm going to do is let's see. Let me find it here. ViralMark. Get page. Copy. Okay, so guys, so I threw this bonus page together. Now, if you guys want any of these bonuses, if I'm going to point up here, there's going to be, actually, I'll put a link below. Well, first off, if you want to go buy this for yourself, but I don't want you to buy it and then just refund it when you go, wow, that doesn't really do what I think I wanted it to do. If you want these bonuses, guys, like TweetX, which is kind of what this can do, very similar. It's just as an extension. YouTube Velocity, Unlock, Set and Forget via traffic. List Lariat, Cleopatra. This one is for LinkedIn. Nova. This is for TikTok. If you guys want Insta quick income, if you want all these bonuses and plus this huge bonus selection here, bunch of really great training, a big mega stock image thing, right? Vendor bonuses. This of course. So if you guys want this bonus page, I'm gonna recommend. This is my first review that I've really not liked a program, and I kind of thought I knew I was going to have to come to this at some point. I'm going to find one and be like, whoa. So listen, there's a tool that I use called Social Post Magic. I highly recommend it. I'm going to put a link down below. That is what I use for Twitter. Okay, guys, that is my Twitter tool. That is my Twitter automation tool. How I use it is this. I post a live tweet. I then go into Social Post Magic. I cut and paste the same tweet. I schedule it for the next day. And then I schedule it for about 10 days in a row ending, right? So it's going to hit 10 days in a row. So it's going to hit once a day. It's going to post that, right? I have a pretty big Twitter following, 21,000 people or whatever, but it's going to hit like once a day. If you have a smaller following, then of course, well, you can still do it if once you've got enough posts, but you don't want like that to be your only post for 10 days. You want to make sure you have something that's posting every hour or something. And then I will make another post and I'm going to schedule it to happen every 14 days, but starting like a week after that blast ends, right? So you blast it for 10 days and then you do another post and you start it like a week after that blast, and then only have it hit every 14 days or every 3 weeks or whatever, right? So it's still going and still being able to drive traffic. It's still a great sort of piece, and it just always is out there working for you. That's how I use Social Post Magic. That's what I would recommend getting for Twitter automation. Now for YouTube automation, there isn't really one. There's something called Video Blaster that I used when I was getting started. Now I'm making pretty much formulated review videos. When I was doing more of the training videos, which I'll go back to, I will probably go back to using that tool. I think it's called Videly. I'll put a link below. That's what I use. It's not really automation, but it really helps you round out your YouTube video. It really helps you with the keywords, with the titling and that kind of thing. But here's a hint, guys. And yes, my channel is not at 1,000 people right now, but my small amount of views make me money every day. It's true. Like 15 or 20 views on a video, I get a sale, right? So these videos make me money even though they're not very many views. When it gets to a lot more views, a lot more sales. But once you get kind of a template, what you're going to put in, you start realizing sort of the patterns, how you can look at another video and go, oh, I can make a video similar to that, and I know what keywords to put in there, and boom, boom, boom. And you can't go trying to rank for those high keywords unless you do a couple of really cool tricks. Anyways, so that's what I would recommend. So I wouldn't recommend buying ViralMark, but hey, if you pick up Vidly or you pick up Social Post Magic, I'll just send you the link. You just message me with your receipt, send me an email, and I'll send you the bonus page for ViralMark because I want someone to get something out of it. And I'll just send you that bonus page if you pick up Social Post Magic or Videly. And those are the two things. So unfortunately, there comes a time when you have to give a program a bad review. Now, maybe they're still working on this and maybe it's going to be something great in the future. But what I saw, I can't, with honesty, I can't say, yeah, go buy this program to make a commission, because I don't think it's going to be something that's really going to benefit you. I think they're going in the right direction. I think maybe they launched something that wasn't finished yet, because for what I see, there's so many other products on the market that can do that and more. So it's not something that's really doing that push button thing. All right, guys. So that's been my review of ViralMark. So basically, here's the deal. If you want the bonus page I showed you, go down, grab Social Post Magic or grab Videly from the link below, send me your receipt, and I will hook you up with that bonus page. I'll send you directly to that bonus page, and you'll get all those good things. And so hopefully, guys, can I get a thumbs up for it? And also, make sure you subscribe, help my channel out, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.